Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been watching this channel, you know I love bringing you the newest communities coming to the Sarasota area. And today I've got a big one for you. We're talking about Esplanade at Wellen Park by Taylor Morrison. So this community just opened VIP pre-sales today as I'm recording, and trust me, you're gonna wanna know about this before everyone else does. So let's get into it. First, let's talk briefly about the builder. Taylor Morrison is one of the nation's top home builders, and their Esplanade brand is their flagship resort-style product. So if you've seen any Esplanade communities like Esplanade Nazario and Lakewood Ranch, you know the level of luxury and lifestyle they bring. Think resort amenities, wellness programming, concierge services, and beautiful architecture. That's the standard they're setting here in Wellen Park. Now, let's talk location because this matters a lot. So Esplanade at Wellen Park is being built surrounding the Myakka Pines Golf Club off of West Villages Parkway and soon to exit onto South River Road. Now, technically, the address falls in Inglewood, but really this community sits right in the sweet spot between Venice, Northport, and Inglewood. So you've got the best of all three areas within easy reach. And it's inside Wellen Park, one of the fastest growing master plan communities in the entire United States. So Wellen Park currently has around 9,500 residents, and at full build out, the plan is to have over 50,000 people across 22,000 plus homes. So this community is absolutely booming, and it's not hard to see why. Wellen Park has a vibrant downtown area with waterfront dining, boutique shopping, live music, weekly farmers markets, night markets, a splash pad, and it's all on the 80-acre Grand Lake that's got a 3-mile lakefront trail around it. And the Cool Today Park is home to the Atlanta Braves spring training, is right there too with its own set of events like trivia nights and music bingo at the Tiki Bar. Now phase 2 of downtown Wellen is just about complete, which means even more restaurants and retail are coming online right now. And the Wellmar Hotel, a Marriott tribute property with full-service rooftop bar, is in the works and slated to open late 2027. We're talking about a full lifestyle ecosystem being built around you. So what exactly is Esplanade at Wellen Park going to look like? Well, first thing you'll notice will be the lot sizes and the views. Some of these lots are over 170 feet deep, and many will have some sort of preserve view, peekaboo views of Myakka Pines Golf Course, water views, and very few backing up to other homes. It's actually quite impressive when you see them in person. And the community will have approximately 877 homes. That's a significant size. The homes will range from attached twin villas all the way up to large single-family homes with sizes from about 1,500 to over 4,000 square feet and anywhere from 2 to 6 bedrooms. There's also a room of condos coming in the next phase. Here's something really exciting about the floor plans. There are 11 plans currently. Some of them are actually brand new to the Esplanade brand. So if you've toured before and you're familiar with some of them, like the Ibis, the Lazio II, the Pallazio II, those are tried and true favorites. But then there are several that are brand new designs, the Cresta, the Cascata, the Argenta, and more. So even if you've toured an Esplanade before, there's fresh product here you haven't seen yet. Pricing is expected to start in the mid-300s and go up to over 1 million. So there's a great range here for different buyer profiles. There will also be some John Cannon built custom homes starting around 2 million. And this is going to be a gated community with no short-term rentals, which tells you a lot about the type of neighborhood they're building. So these homes are designed with both full-time and seasonal residents in mind. They're low maintenance, they're lock and leave friendly. Now for timing, the VIP pre-sales just launched this week and they've already sold 6 before lunch on the first day. General sales are expected to open sometime in May, and that means right now is your window to get the best selection. You need to call me to get on the list. I'll drop my number in the description. Now this is where Esplanade truly shines, the amenities. So inside this community, residents will have access to a resort-style pool, a spa, fully equipped fitness center, 12 pickleball courts, 4 hard-to tennis courts getting harder to come by, a grill area, and a Bahama bar. So on top of all that, there will be a full-time lifestyle manager on site whose entire job is to organize events, clubs, and activities for residents. This isn't just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle. With a 16,800 square foot amenity center called The Venue, wellness programs and concierge services are also part of the Esplanade experience, which is one of the things that sets this brand apart from typical new construction communities. So who is this a great fit for? If you're looking for a low-maintenance resort-style lifestyle in one of the hottest growth corridors in Florida, this is it. A lot of buyers coming to Wellen Park are from other Esplanade communities, New York, New Jersey, Illinois, and the Midwest, and many are drawn because family members already live in the area. The Esplanade brand is known for attracting people who are active, social, and wellness-focused. People who want to live with intention and actually enjoy where they live every single day. So if you want the feel of living on a permanent vacation with the beach a short drive away, Gulf Coast weather, and a private Bahama bar in your backyard, Esplanade at Wellen Park is going to be very hard to beat. All right, that's everything you need to know about Esplanade at Wellen Park by Taylor Morrison. VIP pre-sales just opened this week, and general sales kick off in May, so the time to act is right now. If you're thinking about making a move to this area, you need to call me directly to get on the list. My number is down in the description. Drop your questions in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I cover all things Sarasota, Lakewood Ranch, Wellen Park, and beyond right here on this channel. So I'll see you on the next one.